So now finally we have completed our UI part. Now in this tutorial we will insert or we will generate the epin for each epin request and we will insert it to table. So for this we will create a table and it will hold the epins. So click on new and create a new table like epin list, and we need an ID and a user ID that will hold the epin and the actual epin and the status. Or you can create few extra fields like the date of creating the epin, the usual date. So it's up to you. So I am just creating these things for now. Okay, so user ID will be integer and epin will be like varchar and epin can be up to 100 character and status will be enumerator type. So by default the status will be unused, and when the user will use it, so it will be changed to used. And just remove the extra rows from our enumerated types. Click on go. As you can see, we have two field for our enumerated type, that is unused and used, and by default it will be unused, and the epin will be by default null and the user ID will also be null. And make the ID as auto incremented. Click on auto increment in front of ID and also make it primary, and just finally click on button save, and we have a table epin list. It will hold all the epin for all users. So we have a table. Now we will create code that will create epin and insert it here. Okay, first of all I want to inform you, go to tutorialvilla.com and click on courses, and you will see this course here, MLM matrix 1:3 using PHP and MySQL. Just click on this and click on take this course. Take this course for free. It is 100% free, and after that you will be able to use all the course information from here for free. For example, if you are using this video, and for this if you stuck any of the video, so for each video we upload all the code in this website for like admin epin-request as the previous video. So as you can see, the whole code is already uploaded here. So in case if you face any error in the code, just copy it from here, paste it to your server, so it will work good. So it will be very easy for you, and I will update all the course information here every day almost. So as you can see, we have uploaded all the course information here. Okay, so I will also share the URL in the description box. So now we will create the file. Okay, we have already the file, we don't need to create it. Here it is, epin-request.php inside the admin folder. Just open it and in the previous video we have created this thing, and now we have the epin information like user ID and the number of epin. Now we will insert the epin to database. So for this, what we can do, we will create a loop for each epin and we will insert this epin to database like query. Okay, no, first of all we can make a loop, and what we can do, we can create a for loop, and I equal to 0 and I plus plus, and I should be less than the number of epin. and just insert the epin to table. Now query equals to MySQL query con insert. Okay, we have a shortcut here to insert the information very fastly. So just click on SQL and click on insert, and here you can see we have the pre-built code like user ID, epin status. Okay, we don't need to insert the status because by default it will be unused, so we have to insert only the user ID and the epin. So here insert into epin list, epin list, and the this is this, the attribute is this, and the values are, okay, wait, I just need to click on this, edit, or what was that? Okay, wrap, not wrap, view wrap. Okay, it is already what wrap. Okay, no problem. Let's go epin values, and values will be user ID and the epin. For now we can say it is just epin XYZ, anything, and it is done. Now execute the query to check whether it is working or not. Just go to your page, refresh it, click on approve. Okay, we have to insert the remark also. Click on approve. Are you sure? I am sure, and let's see if we have anything in our database. No, we do not have anything. But why we do not have anything? Because it may be we have some error. Okay, let's see whether we come. Okay, if we say echo, okay, in this previous video it was not working, echo like this, so we can set a script here, and script is here done. Just put a alert to check whether it is coming inside this or not. Hello, anything. Now refresh the page, insert anything, click on required. Okay, now we are inside this, it means it is okay. Now let's see where is the error is coming from. It means we are inside this at least. Now let's see if it is coming here. Okay, and also just need to alert this thing also whether we have information of our user ID and epin. So just put it here to check whether where is the error is this, and it is work like this or not. Okay, let's see user ID and the number of epin. Now let's see what happened. Okay, it's not working, it has crashed. Okay, I didn't put the dot here. Refresh the page, insert, click on approve, and we have 1 and 5. It means it is working. The 1 is our user ID and the 5 is the number of epin. So we have the information. It means it may be error inside this query, and also echo this inside the for loop to check whether our for loop is working or not. Click on this. Okay, our for loop is not working. Why it is not working? Because the number of epin and I is less than. Okay, oh my god, I just mistakenly put this here, and I just need to put it at the end. So I plus plus should be here, and here we need a semicolon. I really forgot this. How is it possible? Click on the mark, click on approve, and now you can see the 5 time it will show. Come on, you have to stop. 5 time, it is not done 5 times. Okay, 5 times is done. Now if we come to here, okay, it is not inserted, still insert here. It means we have error on this. MySQL query con insert into epin list is ready. Okay, again I have too much error here. I forgot to put this code. Again, do it again and again, refresh it, put any remark, click on approve, click are you sure, let's see. Finally, we have inserted our epin. As you can see, the user ID is 1 for each epin and the epin is epin xyz and the status is unused. But we don't want this epin like epin xyz, so anyone will be able to use it without creating it. So we will create unique epin for each of the request. So now we will create the function for create unique epin. Okay, we will create a function that will give us a epin. Let's say let's see what we can print. Okay, we can create a function GENERAT create epin or generate epin. It can be create epin and that's it, and it will create the epin and it will send it back to us. So we can create the epin with the time because it is unique. So time equal to time, and we also encrypt the time. We need to also encrypt the time. So what we can say, the new epin is equals to SHF1. SHF1 is an algorithm. You can also use MD5 here, but I want to use SHF1. You can use any other algorithm to encrypt the epin if you want. I will just do this SHF1 time and just return the new epin, and inside this for loop, just do this epin equal to create epin and it will send us an epin. And here instead of printing a static epin, just put this epin. Let's see what happened now. Refresh the page, remark anything and approve, and it's done. Hit output. As you can see, we do not have very unique epin. Okay, it is all of the epin are very same because it executed at the same time. It may be, so it is also not working for us. So we can do another thing. We have so many ideas to do this, like we can create random number is equals to rand, and we can create 8 digit, 6 digit, 4 digit, whatever you want. I want to create a 6 digit code and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and start from this to end 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will give me the random code and I will just paste it here, random SHA. Now let's see what we have in our epin. Click on approve, yes. Now finally we have a unique epin. As you can see, we have very unique epin at all time. Here you can see we have unique epin list. So finally we have created the epin. Now when the admin will approve it, so the status of this epin request should be closed and it should be hide from here. Okay, so here you can see in the epin request we have the status, it is open currently, and when admin will click on approve, it will be closed. So we have to also update this epin. Okay, and we have this epin request ID here. So now after inserting the epin, we will update the epin request also, like query update MySQL query con update epin request set status equal to closed, where id, okay, where id is equals to id and the limit will be 1. Now let's see what is happening in our code, and click on approve, and the status is closed. Also we have missed one thing here, we also have a remark for here, so we also update the remark in our table, and we do not have any attribute for storing this remark. So first of all we will create a attribute here. So just click on structure, and after status, okay, and after date I want to insert a new attribute, and the attribute will be remark, and it will be type text, and just and by default value will be null, and just click on save. Now we have the attribute here closed. Oh sorry, we have the attribute here remark. So whatever the admin will update in remark, we will insert it here. So first of all we have to access the remark here, okay, and what is the field here, remark. Let's see, here you can see the remark field has the name remark. So we will just take it and we will access it first of all here. So just create a variable remark, and just take it like this, MySQL real escape string and con and the post remark. Now we have remark, and just we will update it to our database, and here we are updating the status, and as well as we will update the remark also. No, we don't need to put any and, just put a comma and remark equal to remark. It should done now, and also when it will be done we will say alert and just take back the admin to epin request page. So just echo here, echo, and start a script and close the script tag. Script has closed. Put a alert, and it will say epin generated or epin sent successfully. And after this alert we will take the admin to back to epin-request.php file. It is window.location.assign, and it will back to epin-request.php file. Hopefully it will work. Now just create the transaction id equal to a what is thing, and click on approve. Epin sent successfully, and now we are in epin request page, and refresh it. As you can see, we have sent the epin as for this epin request, and the remark also updated and the status also updated, and finally we have the epin in our epin-request.php for user 2. Why here user 2? Because this epin request was created by user 2. So the epin is created for user 2, as you can see here. Okay, so finally we have inserted, and I will empty this epin from here because we had already some unusable information here. So I will just empty this table. Click on operation and click on and empty the table. Yes, empty it. Now we have the empty table. Now when I click any of this, like epin sent, anything else, you can print on remark. Click on approve, and it is done. Refresh the page. Now you can see the epin has created. Also we have to create the option for cancel button. Cancel button. So when the admin will click on this button, the epin request will be cancelled. So we also have to handle this here. We already handle it here. Just need to update the status. Okay, like just copy this thing from here and paste it under this. When user will click on button cancel, it will state the epin request status is equal to cancelled, and in epin request we have a status also cancelled. So just put it here, cancelled, cancelled, and the remark will be remark. We also have to fetch the remark here so that we can show the user a valid reason to cancel the request. And epin also change here, epin cancelled successfully, epin request cancelled, not successfully, it is not looking good. Epin request cancelled. Now it is done. Finally, let's check whether if any error payment, like the remark payment not received. So I am going to cancel your request. Click on cancel, click on OK. Epin cancel successfully. Just refresh it. Great, it's done. As you can see, payment not received and it is cancelled. Okay, it's done. Epin request approval done, cancel done, and what is left? Okay, we have to create the history also so that admin know what epin request sent, what request cancelled in the history tab. So we will create a menu here, and we will create another page to store the history. Oh, it is already stored, to show it only in history table. So we will do it in the very next video. So thanks for watching this. See you in the next video.